Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and profitable areas of the digital world, affiliate marketing. Becoming an affiliate marketing business builder is a fantastic way to create a scalable, passive income stream that grows over time. Affiliate marketing works by connecting three key players: the merchant, the affiliate, and the customer. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a simple win win model. The best part? You can do this from anywhere in the world as long as you have internet access. Choosing a profitable niche is the foundation of a successful affiliate marketing business. Research the demand for that niche using tools like Google Trends or Ahrefs. Look for a balance of demand and competition. A well chosen niche allows you to stand out and attract a loyal audience, which is key to long term success. Not all products are created equal. To maximize your earnings, focus on promoting products that convert well. Subscription based services are especially attractive because they offer recurring commissions. Always remember to promote products you genuinely believe in. Your authenticity will resonate with your audience. Content is king in affiliate marketing. Your goal is to provide value while naturally incorporating your links. Product reviews, comparison posts, tutorials, and listicles are all proven formats that work well. Consistent content creation not only builds trust, but also helps you rank higher in search engines. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the secret sauce for driving organic traffic to your content. Start with keyword research to identify terms your audience is searching for and use these in your titles. Build backlinks from reputable websites to boost your domain authority and ensure your site is fast. When it comes to affiliate marketing, you have two primary platforms to choose from: YouTube and blogs. YouTube is perfect for visual content. Videos can go viral, attracting massive traffic in a short time. Blogs are ideal for detailed content and allow you to monetize with ads in addition to affiliate links. Building an email list is one of the most powerful strategies for affiliate marketers. An email list allows you to communicate directly with your audience, bypassing social media algorithms. Email marketing tools like ConvertKit or MailChimp make it easy to automate this process. Tracking and optimizing your performance is crucial for growing your affiliate business. Use tools like Google Analytics to monitor your website traffic and see which content is driving clicks. Identify what's working, double down on successful strategies, and improve areas that need attention. Being transparent and ethical is non-negotiable. Always disclose that you're using affiliate links. Disclosure is not only a legal requirement, but also a way to build trust with your audience. Scaling your affiliate marketing business is where the magic happens. Once you've mastered the basics, expand. You can expand into new niches, create more content, and even hire a team to help you grow. Consider investing in paid advertising to drive more traffic to your affiliate links. You can also create your own products, like courses or ebooks, to diversify your income streams. I hope this gave you a clear and practical roadmap to becoming a successful business builder. The journey to building something meaningful takes time, consistency, and the right strategy, but you're already on the right path by learning and taking action. If this video helped you see things more clearly or gave you useful ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Your support helps grow this community, and together, we can build strong, sustainable affiliate businesses and turn them into real empires.